Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this episode, we will be learning how to add bullet points in Canva. To add bullet points in Canva, first of all, open your Canva application and log in. After signing in to Canva, open up a design or create a new one. I'm just gonna open up an existing design over here. Now the next step is to add text. Go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the text option. Select one of the options from default text styles where you can choose add a heading, add a subheading, or a bit of a body text option. I'm choosing one of these options over here, that is add a heading. Now go ahead and scroll through the bottom menu while selecting the text layer and then tap on this option over here, which will then create bullet points to your text. Type in your text, and once you press return or enter, you will be able to add another bullet point. That is how you can keep adding bullet points or bullet list to one of your projects in Canva. Go ahead and drag the bullet layer along the screen and place it on a desired area or location. Make sure that you also increase or decrease its size and choose the preferable size for your design and place it on a desired area, and there you have successfully added bullet point in Canva. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.